they're finished with it, it doesn't always end up in the bin. I think another percentage of it comes in with the tides, and the tide can bring a lot of plastic pollution, for example, that is originally washed down the river or downstream into the sea.